Hello and welcome. Today, I would like to explain a very important topic in today's digital world. What is cloud migration? At its core, cloud migration is the process of moving digital assets like data, applications, and IT services from on-premises systems to cloud environment. But it's not just about moving servers. It's a strategic decision that can shape the future of a company. Companies today are not moving to the cloud just to follow a trend. They are doing it to increase agility, improve scalability, reduce costs, and stay competitive in fast-changing markets. So they make this decision based on business needs, not technical needs. From a technical view, the cloud offers flexibility. You can scale your resources up or down based on your needs. You no longer have to buy extra servers for peak times and that stay unused the rest of the year. You use what you need and only pay for what you use. From a business view, the cloud support cost efficiency, global collaboration, and strong disaster recovery. Cloud services often include built-in tools for security, backups, and high availability, which are expensive and hard to maintain in traditional data centers. Before we proceed, if you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps grow our community and signals to YouTube that this channel provides valuable information. I very appreciate your help in sharing knowledge. So, in 2024, cloud migration is also driven by the need to support AI and data initiatives. Companies want scalable infrastructures to run AI models and big data analytics. And the cloud provider is ideal platform for this. Sustainability is another growing reason for cloud adoption. Major cloud providers are building energy-efficient data centers, helping companies reduce their carbon footprint while improving IT performance. There is also a growing trend toward hybrid and multi-cloud strategies. Companies are spreading their workloads across different cloud providers and sometimes keeping a part of their systems on premises. This approach reduces the risk of depending too much on a single vendor lock, and gives more flexibility for different workloads. Let's take a real example, Netflix. Before cloud migration, Netflix faced frequent service outages during traffic spikes. After moving to AWS, they improved their reliability, scaled on demand, and reduced operational costs. This shift allowed Netflix to focus on what they do best, creation and delivering content, without managing huge physical infrastructure. However, cloud migration is not always simple. Some companies discover that the cloud is not ideal for every workload. This has led to a new trend called cloud exit, where businesses move some services back on premises after testing cloud performance and costs. This is why it's important to plan your migration carefully. It's not just a technical project. It's a strategic business move. Choosing the right migration strategy is key. Some common strategies include lift and shift, moving applications without changes, replatforming, making small optimizations, refactoring, rebuilding parts of the application to use cloud-native features, repurchasing, replacing old system with cloud SaaS products, and even retiring or retaining systems that don't need to move. Each strategy has its place dependent on your goals, your systems, and your future plans. A critical part of success is having the right cloud architecture expertise. And experienced cloud architect helps avoid costly mistakes, ensure security and performance, and align the migration plan with your business goals. This is investment can save a lot of money and time later. After migration, another important factor is operations. Managing a cloud environment requires a bit different skills than managing on-premises infrastructure. You need to ask, do we have the right skills? If not, it may be necessary to train current staff or hire new people with cloud expertise. Cloud cost management is also very important today. Many companies are adopting FinOps practices to control and optimize their cloud spend. Good financial management ensures that your cloud investments really deliver the expected business value. In summary, cloud migration is more than just technology. It's about modernizing the business, first of all, supporting new innovations like AI, reducing environmental impact, and building a flexible future. When done properly, cloud migration helps companies stay competitive, improve their operations, and better serve their customers. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.